The first Prime Minister of Bangladesh was Mujibur Rahman. The longest river in the world is the answer Nile. The longest highway in the world is the answer Trans-Canada. The longest highway in the world has a length of answer about 8,000 kilometers. The highest mountain in the world is answer Everest. The country that accounts for nearly one-third of the total teak production of the world is answer Myanmar. The biggest desert in the world is answer Sahara Desert. The largest coffee growing country in the world is answer Brazil. The country also known as country of Cooper is answer Zambia. The name given to the border which separates Pakistan and Afghanistan is answer Durand Line. The coldest place on the earth is answer Verkhoyansk in Siberia. The country which ranks second in terms of land area is answer Canada. The largest island in the Mediterranean Sea is answer Sicily. The river Jordan flows out into the answer Dead Sea. The biggest delta in the world is the Sundarbans. The capital city that stands on the river Danube is answer Belgrade. The Japanese call their country as Nippon. The length of the English Channel is answer 564 kilometers. The world's oldest known city is answer Damascus. The city which is also known as the City of Canals is answer Venice. The country in which river Wangchu flows is answer Myanmar. The biggest island of the world is answer Greenland. The city which is the biggest center of manufacture of automobiles in the world is answer Detroit, USA. The country which is the largest producer of manganese in the world is answer USA. The country which is the largest producer of rubber in the world is answer Malaysia. The country which is the largest producer of tin in the world is answer Malaysia. The river which carries maximum quantity of water into the sea is the answer Mississippi. The city which was once called the Forbidden City was answer Peking. The country called the land of rising sun is answer Japan. Mount Everest was named after answer Sir George Everest. The volcano Vesuvius is located in answer Italy. The country known as the sugar bowl of the world is answer Cuba. The length of the Suez Canal is answer 162.5 kilometers. The lowest point on the earth is answer the coastal area of Dead Sea. The Gurkhas are the original inhabitants of answer Nepal. The largest ocean of the world is the answer Pacific Ocean. The largest bell in the world is the answer Tsar Kolkol at Kremlin, Moscow. The biggest stadium in the world is the answer Tahoe Stadium, Prague. The world's largest diamond producing country is answer South Africa. Australia was discovered by answer James Cook. The first Governor General of Pakistan is answer Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Dublin is situated at the mouth of river answer Liffey. The earlier name of New York City was answer New Amsterdam. The Eiffel Tower was built up by Answer Alexander Eiffel. The Red Cross was founded by Jean Henry Durant. The country which has the greatest population density is Answer Monaco. The national flower of Britain is Answer Rose. Niagara Fall was discovered by Answer Louis Hennepin.